Welcome to my channel Road Beast Car. If you're passionate about rugged SUVs, off-road adventures, and the latest automotive news, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a closer look at the exciting 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor, a new off-road focused version of Ford's popular three-row SUV. Let's dive in and see what makes this vehicle stand out. The 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor is designed for drivers who want more adventure without sacrificing everyday comfort and practicality. Ford has taken the already capable Explorer and given it a tougher personality, enhanced off-road hardware, and distinctive styling that helps it stand apart from the rest of the lineup. Starting with the exterior, the Explorer Tremor features a more aggressive appearance. Unique orange accents, a bold front grille, skid plates, and exclusive Tremor badging immediately signal that this SUV is built for more than city streets. Increased ground clearance and all-terrain tires provide better capability on rough trails, gravel roads, and challenging terrain. The rugged design gives the Explorer a commanding presence whether it's parked downtown or exploring the wilderness. Under the hood, the 2026 Explorer Tremor is expected to feature Ford's powerful turbocharged EcoBoost engine options. These engines deliver a strong balance of performance and efficiency, giving drivers plenty of power for highway cruising, towing, and off-road adventures. Paired with a responsive automatic transmission and an advanced four-wheel drive system, the Tremor is built to tackle a wide range of driving conditions with confidence. One of the biggest upgrades comes in the form of off-road focused engineering. The Explorer Tremor is expected to receive a specially tuned suspension system that improves wheel travel and ride quality on uneven surfaces. Enhanced shocks, reinforced components, and selectable terrain management modes allow drivers to adapt the vehicle to different environments, including mud, sand, snow, and rocky trails. Despite its rugged capabilities, the Explorer Tremor remains a family-friendly SUV. Inside, you'll find a spacious cabin with seating for up to 7 passengers. Premium materials, modern technology, and thoughtful storage solutions ensure that long road trips remain comfortable for everyone on board. The interior combines durability with refinement, making it suitable for both outdoor adventures and daily commuting. Technology is another area where the 2026 Explorer Tremor shines. A large touchscreen infotainment system provides access to navigation, smartphone connectivity, and entertainment features. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support help keep drivers connected on the go. Digital displays and advanced driver assistance technologies further enhance convenience and confidence behind the wheel. Safety remains a priority for Ford, and the Explorer Tremor is expected to include a comprehensive suite of safety features. These may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These technologies help drivers stay aware of their surroundings whether they're navigating busy highways or narrow off-road trails. For those who enjoy towing recreational equipment, boats, or camping trailers, the Explorer Tremor is likely to offer impressive towing capabilities. Its combination of power, stability, and advanced towing technology makes it a versatile companion for weekend getaways and outdoor adventures. The 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor fills an important gap in the SUV market. It offers greater off-road capability than a standard Explorer while maintaining the practicality and comfort that families expect. It's an excellent choice for buyers who want one vehicle that can handle school runs during the week and outdoor exploration on the weekend. Overall, the 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor brings rugged styling, improved off-road performance, modern technology, and everyday usability into one attractive package. It's a bold addition to the Explorer family and a compelling option for adventure-seeking SUV buyers. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive content. Let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Ford Explorer Tremor and whether you choose it for your next adventure. See you in the next video.